faulty street lights, irritating, annoying, and on a dark, wet night like this, potentially dangerous. It means that pedestrians can't see trip hazards. It means that the drivers of these cars can't see pedestrians on the side of the road. And when the lights fail in a town centre, it causes security problems for residents. Now, imagine that you have thousands of these, potentially hundreds of thousands of these to keep burning. Well, there is one company here on the south coast that does exactly that, which is why we are here to see the largest private finance initiative in street lighting in the UK. Under the terms of this massive contract, SSE is responsible for maintaining 250,000 street lights and replacing 170,000 of them in 5 years. It's responsible to 3 local authorities, and it's an absolutely mammoth project.
This is our Edge End facility. It's headquarters for the largest street lighting private finance initiative in Europe. This headquarters houses our Hampshire and Southampton clients, and it's been operational since April.
The logistics of a contract this size are mind-boggling, and the only way it can be handled is through computerisation. Now, the crews here do somewhere in the order of 23 jobs in the course of a day.
So we had to bring in the technology and give the guys in the field the equipment to be able to do the job on a timely basis.
The Getac E100A is a fully rugged device, and what we mean by fully rugged is that it's a sealed unit. All the ports are sealed by covers. In this particular instance, the D-Type 9 is a sealed unit, so you can use that open without letting water or dust into the device, and it will not have a fan. Fully rugged devices do not have fans, and Getac have no fans on their devices. Operational temperature of this unit is -20 to +55. So you can see the device will work in all environments and still perform to full specification. We've got integrated GPS and 3G. Now this has given the guys a complete solution for their application. We've also offered them, in this particular instance, 800 nit LED panel, which is the brightest on the market, giving them ability to read the device in direct sunlight.
A vehicle like this is a place of work. It's somewhere where somebody's getting in and out all day, they're changing a radio, they're changing a gear obviously, they're driving all day. This is designed to not get in their way. So the vision for the radio, the vision across the swept area out of the windscreen, everything is considered. Obviously this seat wouldn't be used, but the passenger seat has to be a consideration as well, because obviously there is a set zone for the passenger. And all of those considerations are put into when we install into a vehicle.
The application is specifically written for the job in hand, and it actually shuts the screen down at 8 miles an hour, so compliant to health and safety and to avoid any driver distraction. Below 8 miles an hour, the application will restart, allowing the driver and the users to commence with their work.
An additional benefit with the handheld units compared to just faults are that it constantly monitors the condition of the asset. The SSE operators can input information when they're on site carrying out repairs, but this gives us additional information about the age profile of the equipment. This then has benefits to us as to what we need to replace and when we may need to replace it.
Response times are very important. If we can reduce that response time, obviously that is helping us operationally. It's helping the members of the public, it's helping local authority with their image with the public, and using these devices has actually helped tremendously, and we've been able to reduce the response times dramatically.
And that's fine, we will get someone out to you today.
On our own software applications, we report the response times in terms of days. Now we're looking at a different metric, such as hours or parts of a day, because our response times have come down that much.
This technology allows us to get better data, allows us to make more informed decisions on how we're going to run our business and how we're going to spend our money.
Now we've had a look at one of the most sophisticated private finance initiatives of its type in the UK, and the company that runs this, SSE, is seriously good at this. It's their core business, it's what they do, and they do it very, very well. One of the reasons for that is not just their ability to use technology, but their ability to understand how to use it and how to get the best out of it. And I can tell you that SSE executives are looking at technology just like this and figuring out how to make it work even harder. And it's all about keeping the lights on.